Now we are going to discuss important questions from Upto transformations for junior intermediate for IP intermediate public examination. Upto transformations contains four chapters. That is trigonometric ratios, compound angles, multiple submultiple angles, and transformations. From these four chapters, I am discussing 13 model questions. So this one 5 questions, and this one 8 questions. So let us solve these questions. The first one is given a plus b is equal to pi by 4. Let us apply tan on both sides. What is tan a plus b is equal to tan pi by 4? What is tan pi by 4? Value 1. What is tan a plus b formula? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to 1. So cross multiplication, tan a plus tan b equal to 1 minus tan a tan b. So writing this negative term into the left hand side, tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b is equal to 1. Now we can do the question in two ways. So the shortcut one is adding 1 on both sides. Adding 1 on both sides. So if we add 1 on both sides, we have 1 plus tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b is equal to 1 plus 1. So this one implies that 1 plus tan a plus tan b common from these two terms. What would we have? 1 plus tan a is equal to 2. Can we bring anything common from these two terms? We can bring 1 plus tan a common. That is 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. So hence proved. 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. It is done. Next question is in this one, the first bit is this one. Second bit is cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1 is equal to. So similarly, a plus b is equal to pi by 4 is taken. Let us take cot on both sides. Cot a plus b is equal to cot pi by 4. Cot pi by 4 value is 1. What is cot a plus b formula? Cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a is equal to 1. Cross multiplication. What will we get? Cot a cot b minus 1 is equal to cot b plus cot a. Writing is equal to cot a cot b is equal to 1 plus cot a plus cot b. Let us consider the left hand side. What we need to show that. What is that? Cot a minus cot b. Cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1. Let us multiply these two. Cot a cot b minus cot a minus cot b plus 1. Right? Let us see this one. So from this one, cot a cot b is equal to 1 plus cot a cot b. 1 plus cot a cot b, cot a plus cot b, correct, minus cot a minus cot b plus 1. These two get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2. That is the right hand side. Done. Let us go for the next question. The next question is sin 18 value. Sin 18 value, we need to show that one is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. So let us consider, let us take a is equal to 18. What it means, if you multiply with 5a, 5 18s are 90. So 5a can be written as 2a plus 3a, that is equal to 90 degrees. So that means that 2a is equal to 90 minus 3a. Let us apply sine on both sides. Sine 2a is equal to sine 90 minus 3a. What is sine 90 minus theta? Sine 90 minus theta is cos 3 theta. So sine 2a formula 2 sine a cos a is equal to cos 3a formula 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Trigonometry is all about remembering the formula. So 2 sin a cos a, bringing cos a common from the right hand side, what we have 4 cos square a minus 3 cos a cancel. As we need sin 18 terms, it is better to convert every terms into sin. So 4 of cos square a is 1 minus sin square a minus 3. So that is equal to 2 sin a equal to 4 minus 4 sin square a minus 3. Writing everything on the left hand side. 4 sin square a plus 2 sin a minus 1 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation in sine. By using quadratic formula, sin a is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. It becomes 16 by 2a minus 2 plus or minus root 20 can be written as 2 root 5 by 2 into 4. 2 cancel. So minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. It has two values. First value is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Second value is minus root 5 minus 1 by 4. Sin 18, a is equal to 18, right? So sin 18. Sin 18 is in the first quadrant. It can take the value negative because in first quadrant sin is positive. Therefore, sin 18 is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. That is done. Third question. It has two bits. This is also easier. First one is tan a plus cot a. This is LHS. So that is equal to sin a by cos a plus cos a by sin a. Taking LCM, cos a sin a. So that is equal to sin square a plus cos square a. What is sin square a plus cos square a? 1 by this is sin a cos a. Multiplication and division by 2. 2 times of this is sin 2a. 1 by sin 2a is cosecant 2a. That is right hand side. The second one in this one is LHS. Consider LHS cot a minus tan a. Cot a is cos a by sin a minus tan a is sin a by cos a. So let us take LCM. Cos square a minus sin square a. Here is LCM is sin a cos a. What is cos square a minus sin square a? Cos 2a by multiplication and division by 2. This is becomes sin 2a. So that is equal to 2 cos 2a by sin 2a is cot 2a. That is right hand side. Done. Next question is fourth one. So we are going to use this result here, cot a minus tan a result here. We know that cot theta minus tan theta is equal to, what is that? Cot theta minus tan theta is equal to 2 cot 2a, 2 cot 2 theta. From this one, we can write tan theta is equal to cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta. Keep it like that. Let us consider LHS. Tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. Tan theta is equal to, from this one, cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta plus 2 times of, instead of theta write 2 theta, that becomes cot 2 theta minus 2 cot 4 theta plus 4 times of, instead of theta write 4 theta, cot 4 theta minus 2 cot 2 into 4 theta, 8 theta. This 8 cot theta is as it is. So that is equal to cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta plus 2 cot 2 theta minus 4 cot 4 theta plus 4 cot 4 theta minus 8 cot 8 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. 8 cot 8 theta, all these terms get cancelled. We are left with cot theta, that is nothing but right hand side. Let us go with the fifth question. It has so many bits. First bit is let us consider LH sin A sin pi by 3 plus A, that is 60 plus A sin pi by 3 minus A. So that is equal to sin A into sin A plus B into sin A minus B is sin square A minus sin square B. Sin A into sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2 whole square means that 3 by 4 minus sin square A. Sin A into 3 minus 4 sin square A by 4 multiplying with 3 sin A. So 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A by 4 is equal to sin 3A by 4, that is right hand side. So let us do simultaneously the third one also. What is given here? Sin 20, sin 40, sin 80, sin 60. Now see this one. I wrote sin 80, 60. Interchange the position. Why I wrote like that? Just understand. This is sin 20. This is sin 60 minus 20. Sin 60 plus 20. Sin 60 is as it is. If you consider these three by using this result, sin theta, sin 60 plus theta, sin 60 minus theta. So that is equal to 1 by 4 times of sin 3 theta. 3 into 20 sin 60. So 1 by 4 times of sin 60 into sin 60. So 1 by sin square 60. So root 3 by 2 whole square. So that is equal to 3 by 16. It becomes right hand side. So next result in the fifth one is second one. LHS, let us consider that cos A cos pi by 3 plus A cos 60 plus A, it means pi by 3 minus A cos A times of cos A plus B into cos A minus B is cos square A minus sin square B. That is equal to cos A times of cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2 minus sin square A. It is better to convert everything in terms of cos. 1 minus cos square A. So cos A times of 1 by 2 minus 1 plus cos square A. So cos A times of minus 1 by 2 plus cos square A. So that is equal to cos A minus 1 by 2 plus cos square A. 2 to cancel. Let us use another formula. It makes the process simple. It is, I am writing that cos A plus B into cos A minus B is equal to cos square B minus sin square A. It makes the process easier other than cos A into cos square A minus sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2 This is sine square means 3 by 4. Cos A into 4 cos square A minus 3 by 4. Multiply with cos A to the both the terms. 3 cos A by 4. What is that? 1 by 4 times of. That is the formula for cos 3A. That is right hand side. Some fourth one is reduction is there. Cos pi by 9, cos 2 pi by 9, cos 3 pi by 9, cos 4 pi by 9. Cos pi by 9 is cos 20, this is cos 40, cos 60, cos 80, this is cos theta, this is cos 40, 60 minus 20, 80 is cos 60 plus 20, cos 60 is, this cos 60 is written here. So instead of these three, 1 by 4 cos 3 theta into cos 60, 1 by 4 cos 60 into cos 60, cos square 60, 1 by 2 inside, cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole square. So that is right hand side. Next question is sixth one. Consider LHS. LHS is equal to 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 by cos 10. Let us take LCM. Cos 10 minus root 3 sin 10 by sin 10 cos 10. First let us multiply the numerator with 2 and divided by 2. 1 by 2 cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 sin 10 by multiplication and division by 2. 2 sin 10 cos 10. This 2 goes to the numerator and becomes 4. Instead of 1 by 2 we can write sin 30 cos 10 as it is. Root 3 by 2 is cos 30 sin 10 by 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 into 10 sin 20. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B. That is equal to 4. That is right hand side. Seventh question. Given that sin alpha by A is equal to cos alpha by B. This one in brother bringing cos alpha this side. It becomes sin alpha by cos alpha. A is written this side. A by B. What is that? So tan alpha is equal to A by B. What we need to find the value of? So that is LHS is considered. That is A sin 2 alpha plus B cos 2 alpha. So as tan is known, we have to convert sin 2 alpha and cos 2 alpha in terms of tan. 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha 1 minus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. A into 2 into tan alpha is A by B by 1 plus A square by B square plus B into 1 minus A square by B square by 1 by A square plus B square. That is equal to, this is 2A square by 2A square B by A square plus B square plus B into B square minus A square by, what is that? B square plus A square. In the numerator we can bring B, in the denominator we can bring A square plus B square common. What will have? 2A square plus B square minus A square. So B by A square plus B square times of this becomes A square plus B square. These two get cancelled, that is B. That is equal to right hand side. Eighth question. Next question is very important. Let us consider LHS. Sin power 4 pi by 8 plus sine power 4 3 pi by 8 plus sine power 4 5 pi by 8 plus sine power 4 7 pi by 8. Here we have to consider 7 pi by 8. 7 pi by 8 can be written as pi minus pi by 8. 5 pi by 8 can be written as pi minus 3 pi by 8. We know that sine pi minus theta is equal to sine theta. So let us consider the LH is only sine power pi by 8, sine power 3 pi by 8, sine power 4, 5 pi by 8 is pi minus 3 pi by 8, sine power 4, 7 pi by 8 is pi minus pi by 8. So that is equal to sine power 4 pi by 8 plus sine power 4 3 pi by 8. Sine pi minus theta is sine theta. This is also sine pi minus theta sine theta. These two terms are same, these two terms are same. So 2 times of sine power 4 pi by 8 sine power 4 3 pi by 8. Once observe that 3 pi by 8 can be written as pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Sine power 4 pi by 8 plus sine power 4 pi by 2 minus pi by 8. 2 into sine power 4 pi by 8 cos power 4 pi by 8. Now let us apply the formula. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So how to apply this one? This is sine square pi by 8 whole square plus cos square pi by 8 whole square. So 2 into a square plus b square. A is sine square pi by 8. B is cos square pi by 8. So a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square minus 2ab cos square pi by 8. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. As multiplication and division by 2, it becomes 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. 2 sin pi by 8 cos pi by 8 whole square. So that is equal to 2 into root of 1 minus 1 by 2 times of sin 2 theta, right? Sin 2 into pi by 8 whole square. It becomes pi by 4, right? Sin pi by 4 whole square is 1 by root 2 whole square, that is 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. That is 3 by 2, that is equal to right hand side. Next question, 9th one. Let us consider LHS. LHS is given as sin pi by 5, sin 2 pi by 5, sin 3 pi by 5, 4 pi by 5. So pi by 5. Let us observe that 4 pi by 5 is nothing but pi minus 5 by 5. 3 pi by 5 is nothing but pi minus 2 pi by 5. So this becomes, so sin 4 pi by 5 becomes sin pi minus theta, sin theta. Sin 3 pi by 5 becomes sin pi minus theta, sin theta. So that is equal to sin pi by 5, sin 2 pi by 5. So sin 3 pi by 5 is nothing but sin 2 pi by 5, sin 2 pi by 5. Sin 4 pi by 5 is nothing but sin pi by 5. So it becomes sin square pi by 5, sin square 2 pi by 5 whole square. So pi by 5 mean that 180 by 5. 3 times 30 minutes 60 degrees. 36 degrees. This is sine 36, sine 72 whole square. What is sine 36 value? Root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. Sine 17 value is sine 72 is root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. This whole square is there. So that means that roots cancel. A plus b into a minus b. 100 minus 20 by 16 into 16. So 80 by 16 into 16. So 5 by 16. That becomes right hand side. So in this one you have to remember this formula. Next question is 10th one. Let us consider LHS. LHS is equal to cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7. Multiplication and division by 1 by 2 sine 2 pi by 7. So 2 sine 2 pi by 7 cos 2 pi by 7. Remaining two terms are as it is. So 1 by 2 sine pi by 7, 2 sine theta cos theta, sine 2 theta, sine 2 into 2 pi by 7, cos sine 4 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7 is as it is, cos 8 pi by 7. Next step is multiplication and division by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 1 by 4 sine 5 pi by 7. For these two terms, sine 8 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7 is as it is. Here we use 2 sine theta cos theta formula, sine 2 theta. Multiplication and division by 2. 1 by 8 sine pi by 7. 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. Sine 2 into 8 pi by 7, 16 pi by 7. 1 by 8 sine pi by 7 into sine of 2 pi plus 16 pi by 7 is 2 pi plus 2 pi by 7. 14 pi plus 2 pi, 16 pi. 1 by 8 into sine pi by 7. Sine 2 pi plus theta is sine theta. Sine 2 pi by 7. So this 2 pi by, Here is 2 pi by 7 should be written. That is that. 2 pi by 7, 2 pi by 7 cancel. 1 by 8. That is right hand side. Now next 11th question is consider left hand side. That is equal to 1 plus cos pi by 10. 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10. 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10. 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10. Once observe that 9 pi by 10 is equal to pi minus pi by 10. This 7 pi by 10 is equal to pi minus 3 pi by 10. And cos 9 pi by 10 is equal to cos pi minus pi by 10. Cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. And cos 7 pi by 10 is equal to cos pi minus 3 pi by 10 minus cos 3 pi by 10. So that is equal to 1 plus cos LHS pi by 10. Cos 3 pi by 10 is as it is. 1 minus cos 7 pi by 10 is minus cos 3 pi by 10. 9 pi by 10 is 1 minus cos pi by 10. This is a plus b into a minus b. This is also a plus b into a minus b. 1 minus cos square pi by 10. 1 minus cos square 3 pi by 10. Cos square pi by 10 is 1 minus cos square pi by 10 is sin square pi by 10. This is sin square 3 pi by 10. What is the value of sine square pi by 10? Sine pi by 10 is 18 value, right? So sine 18, this is equal to sine 54 whole square. What is sine 18? Root 5 minus 1 by 4. Sine that 54 is cos 36. Root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. That is equal to 1 by 4 whole square. A plus b into a minus b becomes 4. 1 4 cancel. That is equal to 1 by 16. That is equal to right hand side. Next question is 12th question. Let us consider left hand side. That is equal to cos a, cos 2a, cos 4a, cos 8a. That is multiplication and division by 2 sin a. So numerator becomes 2 sin a cos a. We did a question of this type previously just now. So that is equal to 1 by 2 sin a, sin 2a. This is 2 sin a cos a. So cos 2a, cos 4a, cos 8a, multiplication and division by 2. So this becomes 1 by 4 sin a, 2 sin 2a cos 2a, sin 4a, cos 4a, cos 8a, 2 by 2. So this is equal to 2 sin, this is 1 by 8 sin a, 2 sin 4a cos 4a, sin 8a cos 8a, multiplication and division by 2, 1 by 16 sin a, 2 sin 8a cos 8a, sin 16a. So this is equal to right hand side. We are not yet done. We have to do deduction is there. Okay. Take a is equal to 2 pi by 15, sir. So what becomes cos 2a, cos a. Cos a is cos 2 pi by 15. Cos 2a is cos 4 pi by 15. Cos 4 pi by 8 pi by 15. Cos 8a. 8a means that 16 pi by 15 is equal to right hand side is 1 by 16 sin a is 2 pi by 15 into sin 16 into 2 pi by 15, 32, right? 1 by 16 times of sin 2 pi by 15 into sin 32 pi by 15. 1 by 16 sin 2 pi by 15 into sin 2 pi plus 2 pi by 15, 32. Sin 2 pi plus theta is sin theta. Sin 2 pi by 15 by sin 2 pi by 15. These two get cancelled. That is 1 by 16. 13th question, last question. Let us consider the LHS. LHS is equal to cot pi by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 3 pi by 16, and so on, cot 7 pi by 16. So let us observe that. Let us have a result now. If a plus b is 90 degrees or pi by 2, so then cot a into cot b is equal to 1. This is the result. So let us write the left hand side like this: cot pi by 16, cot 7 pi by 16 in one group. Next cos 2 pi by 16, cot 6 pi by 16. Next term is cot 3 pi by 16, cot 5 pi by 16. Cot in the middle we have cos 4 pi by 16. Also observe that why I wrote this one is pi by 16 plus 7 pi by 16 is equal to 8 pi by 16 pi by 2. Similarly, 2 pi by 16 plus 6 pi by 16 is equal to pi by 2. 3 pi by 16 plus 5 pi by 16 is also pi by 2. So we'll apply this result. When sum of angles is pi by 2, cot A into cot B is 1. So this becomes 1, this becomes 1, this is also 1, cot pi by 4, 1. So that is equal to 1. This is the right hand side. Done.